Hey guys, I'm Steve and welcome back to the channel where we talk about the joys of stock market investing and long-term dividend gain. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit the subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you're a new subscriber and you're returning, check me out. Welcome back, guys. Guys, I want to talk a little bit about something today that I thought was amazing. And it was a report that I seen on CNBC earlier. They was talking about the most bought stocks for the year so far. And Tesla was number 4. And I thought that was interesting because, a lot of the hype that you hear about Tesla being overvalued and having numbers that are askew, for some reason, people are piling money into it. Real quick, guys, I'll go over the list. The top 5. Number 1 was the Spider S&P 500 ETF, which would be a no-brainer in times like this in the economy. Followed by Invesco QQQ Trust, and then we had Apple, and we had Tesla, followed up by AMD, which was surprising to me too, AMD being number 5. According to what was stated, over $10.5 billion have been poured into buying Tesla stock this year amid, all the havoc in the stock market. And I think that tells you a lot about how the sentiment in the investors is with acquiring Tesla. Now, I'm new to investing in Tesla, right? I only been involved in Tesla for a few months. But I mean, from what I've seen so far, I've been pleased with my investment. I continue to dollar cost average into it. And I'm very excited about what the future holds as far as moving forward, once we get, out of this recession and solve this inflation thing. Now, one of the reasons why I decided to jump into Tesla now is because in this economic downturn, I figured the price would drop, and it has. And ever since I bought it, the stock has been going down. I've been dollar cost averaging into it. Now I bought a significant stake, or what's considered to me significant stake when I first jumped into it post split, the last split we had. And now I've amassed over 53 shares. Now, as of yesterday, I didn't do a video about it, but I added another 30 shares to it, so now I have 83 shares. And as the price drops, guys, I'm going to jump into it. I continue to work dollar cost average into my favorite stocks and ETFs. But, as far as Tesla, I'm very excited about where it is and where it goes. And so are a lot of other investors. And, like I said, people say Tesla's overvalued and things like that. It's something about Tesla that draws a fan following. And I don't know if it's the sporadic excitement about, how the price can take off or how Tesla has made people millionaires more than once. A lot of people buy this stock and hold it. Because, I mean, in actuality, a lot of people connect Tesla with the cars because that's what you see most of the time. But Tesla is a lot of different things, and they all deal with technology, So to me, it's a tech company that sells cars, and that's just the beginning of the iceberg. Like they said, in December, they're going to start having these semis on the road more frequently. They got the SpaceX program, and they got other things. They have Elon Musk, which, I think, as an innovator, he's ahead of his time. So part of my investment is investing in him because I see the proof, and I see the things in his mind, his creativity. I see it coming to light in the physical form. Therefore, I'm all in with it. Now, will Tesla continue to drop? Hopefully it does, so I can pick up more shares. But my plan right now is to get Tesla up to 100 shares, right? Once I get Tesla up to 100 shares, what I'll do then is, I'm still going to dollar cost average, but if I get Tesla up to 100 shares, then I can start doing options on it. So I mean, that's a play too. A lot of people say, oh, well, don't buy Tesla, don't this. A lot of times when people buy stocks, guys, they're not buying these stocks to hold them for the long term. I am, but I still would do some calls and put options on some of the stocks that I own. You know, if a lot of people see my portfolio, they'd be head scratching because some of the properties, I mean, some of the stocks that I own, but I mean, some of them I do call options with to increase my wealth. Now, am I going to do a call option with Tesla like nonstop? No. I plan on holding Tesla for the long run, at least to 2030, you know. But yeah, guys, I mean, as far as the other stocks like the S&P 500, Invesco QQQ, Apple, all three of them would be no brainers, as far as with us with the stock market dropping. Two of them are ETFs. One is a growth ETF, the Investo QQQ. So people are loading up on that and then waiting for the market to run green again. Once we're out of this thing, and then their portfolios will take a major jump. And S&P 500 is a no-brainer. The top 500 companies in America, Fortune 500 companies, can't go wrong with that. And then we got Tesla number 4. $10.5 billion, guys. People are putting this money into this stock, and a lot of people are riding with it, and so that makes me think, basically, a lot of the times you seeing Tesla dropping like that, it's a lot of day trading and a lot of institutional investors who stocked up on Tesla, and now they're liquidating it, to make sure they don't lose that much money in the market to hold on to what gains they have. So that's how I look at it. I'm happy I joined into Tesla. Very excited about the future. And I know some of you guys are too. Am I an advocate to tell somebody to buy Tesla? No. But am I telling you to at least check it out and look at what it's produced for its investors over history? Yes. So, it's one of those things. But guys, yeah, I just wanted to chime in on that. I thought that was an interesting fact. I figured I'd make a video about it and talk about my excitement for the future with Tesla. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys spending the time with me as always. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Go